Okay, my near and dear of students of 12th class. Today, as you know, after a very long period of time, we met again in these online classes as we were having your golden test, and I have gone through your golden test papers, your answer papers, which you have answered, and which I have assumed that some of the students are very keenly observing our classes. They are keenly observing our classes, and I have seen that they are taking too much interest in these classes. But some of the students which I have found in your while watching your answer papers, someone have neglected. They are not cared for this golden test. However, I have marked them, and the golden test mark sheet will be available to you in a few days. Today, as you know, that we are dealing, as per our syllabus is concerned, we are dealing with the chapter 4 of your syllabus. The chapter 4, unit 4th of your syllabus, there is one topic that is differently abled. Before some years, we were not using this word differently abled people. We were only using disabled people. Now the disabled in my common sense, now the disabled word has been changed into differently abled people. My near and dear students of 12th class, you will not find any society in the world where you will not find that there are different people. God has made this system that no two people are alike. There is a difference. There God has made some difference. You will see, if a twin is born, God has also put some difference in these twins. Same is the case in the society. There no two people are alike. There is difference. In all the historical fields, there is difference is there. Some people are able in some work, some people are able in another work. What I mean to say is that there is a difference. And this difference varies. This difference varies. As we are doing the name of these different abled people, we are giving their name as handicapped, crippled, disabled, or we can say them lame, or they have hearing impairments. We are giving them name. In Kashmiri, we are saying also them that Bichor. We are giving them the name Bichor. And I have written on the board that these different people are not disabled. They are not disabled. If they are disabled in one field, but it has come into our common experience, it has come into in my experience, that a man who is disabled in one field is good in another field. What I mean to say that if you will find some people, they are, or he or she is, what I can say, blind. But in the another field, he or she is very intelligent. If we will find that he is lame, He's lame of one leg, two legs. But in the another field, he's extraordinary. He's extraordinary able. I have seen him. Some difficulty God has bestowed him some difficulty, but in the another field he is very good, and they have proved to be like that. They have proved that some different people, they have proved themselves to be very good doctors, they very good engineers, very good singers, liars, like that. And these different people are not disabled, what I mean to say that, only because they are physically or mentally impaired, but also because society has built a manner that does not cater their needs. In contrast to the over contrast to the struggle over Dalit, Adivasi or women rights, the rights of the disabled have been recognized. They have the rights now. They have their rights. Only, only very much, very recently, yet in all the historical periods, in all the sectors, there have been people who are differently abled. And many people have tried for their betterments, for the betterment of these disabled people. Many people have tried. One of the leading activists and scholars from India, Disability India contrast, is Anita Goyal. Anita Goyal has tried his best to better the position of these disabled people. He has given his recommendations to the government for the betterment of these differently abled people. We may proceed ahead.